DoorDash drivers in Massachusetts are going to see less opportunities. And will this come to other states? Alcohol delivery banned at college campuses. Let's talk about it. Pedro back at you with the RideShare Guy. Now, Massachusetts has a high concentration of campuses, college campuses. And we know when you're in college, you like to party, you want to get some alcohol delivered. But a large majority of people that are in college aren't 21 yet. They can't legally drink. So DoorDash is protecting us, themselves, and the community of underage minors from drinking by not even allowing the customers that have an address at those campuses to order alcohol delivery. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the good, the bad, what that could mean for you as a Massachusetts driver, what it could mean for you if you're in a state where this comes, because it could. And I'll give you guys my perspective, and I want to hear from you guys in the comments down below. So the first thing I thought about when I saw this was, okay, I mean, it makes sense. They're protecting themselves and the people we just mentioned, but did something happen? Like, was there an issue? Or were minors getting their hands on alcohol through the DoorDash platform? Or was DoorDash being proactive? Did something happen on Uber Eats or Instacart and they got wind of it and said, hey, we don't want to even have the revenue from these kind of orders. You can't even, if you're on a campus with that, you can't do it. You cannot get alcohol delivered if you're on the campus in Massachusetts. So first, the question I have for y'all, did something happen and DoorDash is reacting, or are they just saying, we don't want any mess, we don't want any part of this? Now, if you've been a college student, a college grad, college students are going to get their hands on alcohol, okay? They got a friend, they got a fake ID, they got this, they got that. It's going to happen, but DoorDash is doing their part to mitigate that and minimize it, and it is what it is. I'm all for that. What I don't like about this, it kind of sucks for people that are 21 and are on a college campus. Maybe you're the dean of the school, a teacher, you live there, or maybe you're 21. Maybe you're visiting your kids at their dorm and you want to order some wine. You can't do that. Now, not the end of the world. You get in your car, you go get it yourself, whatever, right? But it is a slight inconvenience for some people that might legally be able to order, but they can't. Now, that's the only issue I see with it. I think as delivery drivers, a lot of us don't like to do alcohol delivery. We don't want to look at ID, scan ID. We have problems with that. We don't want to have to worry about if they're intoxicated. We're taking risk, right? We don't like it. Now, I don't mind doing it. I do a lot of alcohol delivery. There's some good money in it. I look at it as an opportunity. But for some Massachusetts drivers, this might mean less opportunity for you if you've been doing alcohol delivery and now you can't do it on the campus. I do want to read this. This is from the article from The Sun. Simply put, if you are on a college campus, you will not be able to order alcohol for delivery on the DoorDash marketplace platform, said DoorDash in an announcement. They also talk about alcohol deliveries up like 100% from year over year. They're also working on the services, also using a third-party company to improve its ID scanning technology. DoorDash also said that there and other places are giving Dashers more tools to understand how to look at an ID, and there's testing you have to go through in the app. I did it probably sometime last year. But at the end of the day, DoorDash is just doing what they should be doing, right? This is positive PR for them. I think it makes sense. Imagine a DoorDash driver delivering to minors and something happens. It's like, oh, it's on the DoorDash app, and I ordered on the DoorDash app and I gave him a fake ID, or he didn't ask me in this app. It would be bad PR for DoorDash. It would not be a good look. So they should be implementing this. What do you guys think? Should this be everywhere? Should alcohol delivery be completely not an option in every state that DoorDash is in, every city, every town? Should it be everywhere? I want to hear from you guys down below. I got one more thing. Listen, do you guys as Dashers, food delivery drivers, whatever app you're doing, do you even like delivering to a college campus? Think about it. I've done it a few times. Usually it's okay, but there are times it's a campus. They don't give you right instructions. You're searching and seeking and finding. It might take you longer. College kids only got a lot of money most of the time. A lot of these orders are McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Chipotle. They want a Chipotle bowl, and it's $5 because even if they tip $2 or $3, but it might be going long mileage, and it's not worth your time. So do you even go to college campuses at all? Should DoorDash take the next step and say, no, we're just not even going to deliver to college campuses? Now, that would be ridiculous, but I think a lot of Dashers do not like going to college campuses. hospitals, and schools. I think those are probably the top 3 places, and apartment buildings would be 4. But I think those are the top 3 businesses or places drivers don't like to go. I want to hear from you guys. In what order do you put those? And are those the top 3, and is there anything else? I mean, for me, I like delivering to a house, leave it at the door, boom. The simpler, the easier, the most efficient and quick that I can deliver it, the better. College campuses, schools, hospitals usually can take longer because you're delivering to somebody, and depending if they give you the right instructions, and they're probably at work or in school, and it can take 5 times longer than it needs to. But Massachusetts banning alcohol delivery on campuses. You guys tell us what you think in the comments down below. I'll see you on the next video. I almost forgot. If you want to sign up for these gig apps, check the description box. And if you like more DoorDash content, check out these videos here. And if you want a course on how to maximize your earnings, check out that in the link below as well.